Good evening, good afternoon, good morning from wherever you are. Welcome back once again to the weekly market outlook. As always, before we start analyzing the pairs, we'll look at the forest factory data and see what we'll be having next week. So as we see right here, on Monday we are having one euro news, which will be throughout the whole day. So I mean, it's either you trade Monday or you don't trade Monday, but Monday wouldn't be that kind of difficult day to be trading compared to Wednesday and Thursday, and also Friday. Okay. Tuesday we're having Canadian dollar news and also two USD news. On Wednesday is the most important day, most interesting day to be trading. Yeah, so your technicals has to align with the news, or else yeah you get screwed. So Wednesday, I mean, be careful when trading on Wednesday, because if you're not careful, you just blow your account. So just respect your rules and don't go against them, because you'll be having FOMC, you having jobs job openings, right? Non-farm employment change. Like there's news after news after news, like yo. So Wednesday will be very very interesting and difficult day to be trading. But yeah, we look to see what we can do. Thursday we have unemployment claims like every Thursday, and on Friday we're having non-farm employment change and also the unemployment rates. So Thursday will also be very interesting day to be trading, and also the ISM. So yeah, Friday. I mean, since from Wednesday to Friday are all interesting days to be trading. So this week you have to be really really good on your technicals, or just don't trade this week because there's so many news to be trading. Next week is a little bit of a chill week, right? So this week, yeah, you have to be really really careful. All right. Let's start with DXY as always. So with DXY on the daily time frame, if you go on the daily time frame, based off of structure, we are trading within this range from this low. This low broke this high, so we are trading from this range, right? And as we see, currently right now, price is reacting from this liquidity void right here, and we are coming to this, daily order block right here. If you go on the 4 hour, the structure that price is currently trading within is just these internal structures, right? These are the bigger structures, and now this one, and now we are pulling back low, right? And on Friday, price took out this high, so for me, this one right here is a change of character for me. So it's either, what price can do right now is either it pushes from here to the upside, right, and then break this high one more time, and then from there price may just pull back again, and then either we continue up high or we will come back low to take out this low and then come to the 50% of this whole range, of this bigger range right here. Okay, if you mark it out, we also see that the 50% is around this level. Let me see, it's around this level. Okay, so if price, let's say with FOMC is on Wednesday, so let's say by Wednesday price, before Wednesday price come down low and take out this low, then we'll be sure that we'll be coming down to the downside. But before FOMC, when price is sitting around this level, it will be difficult to say that price will be coming down to this level. But overall, what I'm expecting is either price continue from this high, from this level right here straight to the upside and go for this strong high, and also this weekly high there, right? It's either price does that or price pulls back down low, and then from here we push back to the upside. Okay, here's what I'm really expecting. So I will also send the chats out in the Discord community, so if you're not in, be sure to join us, right? So it's either you trade FOMC or you don't trade it, but I'll advise not to trade it if you're not good with technicals. Okay, and if you can't manage your risk very very well. So it's either you push from here to the upside in general, right, around these levels to the upside, or we push from this level to the upside. Okay, these are just the only ideas that I'm having right now. And I'm not going to predict FOMC and say FOMC is going to go to the upside or going to go to the downside. Okay, it would depend where the price, where the market is at that time, and then from there we can act on it. But if you want guidance in trading news and all those stuff, then be sure to check out the Discord community and see how we do it. Okay, but yeah, these are just my analysis for DXY. And if price reaches this order block on the daily time frame, be sure to, if you're in any position, be sure to take some partials out, off of your position, because yeah, we are coming into a high time frame order block, so we can just reject this order block and push to the downside. So just take some partials off and see what the market will do. Okay, on AUDUSD. So for AUDUSD right now, let me see. On the daily time frame, we are resting from this, daily POI right here. We tapped it and we got this long wick, and then from there we are just pushing to the upside. And let me show you guys some of the trades that we caught last week, because they were all very, very good trades. Where is it? Let me see if I can find them right here. So past setups, if you come to the Discord community and you come to the past setups, you see all of these kind of trades that we took the whole week. And like last week, these were the targets, that I was indicating that price will be pushing to. So that DXY will push to this level, and then from here we can look to buy. And that's what we are currently doing this week. Okay, so either we push from here to the upside, or we push from here to the upside. And with this bias and with all of these, EURUSD coming to this level, and then from there we sell, or we sell from it to the downside. We are basically doing what last analysis told us. So with these analysis, this what is a trade that we caught off of them. If you look at AUDUSD, I said the price was going to come to this level, and then from there is either we sell from here to the downside, or price will just sit around at that level, right? NZDUSD also similar. Price should come to this level, like I said. If you go to past setups, we caught all of those moves with the members right here. Where is it? So we started the week with this trade, right? Pound USD trade, right around this level. I sent it out to the community, right? And they took it. It was a 9-hour trade. The weekly target that I said price was going to go to, and as you see, price went directly to the EURUSD trade 2. We caught the weekly low from this place, from this zone to the upside, right? And we also scaled in once again from this level to the upside too. And as you see, price really playing out very, very well. AUDUSD, there's a trade idea too, right, to the upside. And you can watch the video. I mean, if you're in the Discord community, like I told okay. That so this what price was going to do tomorrow, right, to the downside. Okay. AUDUSD, I would like to see price go up. As we see, we're having now, right now you're having three tops right here equalize. Now, like to see price come and take them out. And then from there we can expect some kind of continuation. And then on Thursday, Wednesday, we will see some kind of drop from this place to downside. If price was to go up, come down to this level, you can look to buy it. Okay, because the only other block on the 4 hour was this one that was indicated. QI, this one. And then right now you have this other block right here. So if price comes there, just look for continuation, go to the upside. Okay. On EURUSD, also similar. So like you guys see, like it's very, where is this thing right here? All of the evidence are here, so if you want to check them out, you can really check them out. EURUSD is similar to, like, I did a video about it, and yeah, this is the move, like, yeah, you get it. So if you want to join the community, be sure to join us, because the moves that we are catching, they are not just weekly, daily moves, or 1 hour moves, or 50 minutes move, or 1 minute move. Like, the more you trade, the more you realize that trading on the 1 minute and trading on the 5 minutes won't get you anywhere. So you have to kind of develop a system that will kind of bring you the bigger gains on the bigger time frame, which is the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame, right? And I also trade on the 15 minutes time frame. Don't get me wrong, I trade on the 15 minutes time frame. Like this setup right here, the trade that we took on USD last week right here, it was taken off of the 15 minutes time frame, right around this level. We bought it around this level to the upside, right, and we held it till this level because our take profit was around this place. You get it? So I also trade on the 15 minutes time frame, but the more you trade on the 4 hour and on the daily and on the 1 hour, the more you kind of notice where price will be going, and how you can position yourself in the market when price comes there, okay, and how you can hold trades for a longer period of time. Okay, so yeah, look into it, because trading on the 1 minute and on the 5 minutes won't really get you anywhere. Let's say you're trading let's say a 100k account or 200k account, and you trade on the 1 minute time frame, and you lose 1% of the account on the 1 minute time frame. How is your mentality, or how is your psychology going to really take that loss, because you have lost 2k in 1 minute? Like, yo, do you know do you know what it will do? Do you know what it will do with my mind? Like, yo, nah, I can't be doing that. Like, if I'm going to lose 1% of my account, it doesn't need to be coming from the 1 minute time frame. It needs to come from at least the 50 minutes or the 1 hour time frame, because it won't take it will take a little bit of a longer time for me to lose the money. You get it? But on the 1 minute time frame, at any second, you can lose the money. You get it? So yeah, it kind of messes with your psychology. So if you want to trade really comfortable and not, I mean, really stress a lot about the percentage that you're going to lose, then trading on the 15 minutes time frame and above will really provide you that. And by doing that, you see a lot of results coming into your trading journey. Okay, so I really recommend that, because the 1 minute time frame, I've done that. I know how to do it. Like right now, I know how to do it, but yeah, it's just mess up with your psychology. Okay, so let me stop this front and start enlightening this first. So for AUDUSD for next week, there's FOMC, like I said, right? And with FOMC, it's either price will be, where is this then? It's either price will be coming low, and then with FOMC we push to the upside, we come to this level, and then from here we sell to the downside, because after FOMC there's also news on Thursday. Okay, so either we price will be doing this, or either we'll be just sitting around, and then FOMC we go up and then we come down. Okay, so hence I've put in these two levels there. So if you're trading, I mean, if you be looking at this pair, it's either you try to buy it from this level to the upside, and then around this level try to sell it back down, or you wait, see what FOMC does after FOMC, because you don't have to trade news. You can trade the news after it has happened, right? After FOMC pushes to the upside, you can sell from here to the downside, or after FOMC pushes to the downside, you don't have to buy, you can wait and then you buy to the downside. Okay, but overall my target is to the downside, so either we sell it from this level to the downside, or we sell it from this level to the downside. Okay, for EURUSD is also similar to AUDUSD, right? Either price pushes from here to the downside, or FOMC pushes price from these levels, I mean from this level to the upside, and then we drop back to the downside. Okay, but overall my target is to the downside. On the For pound USD too, is also similar to EURUSD, right? I would like to see price either fall from here to the downside, or also fall from here to the downside. Okay, that's basically the idea that I'm having going into next week. Okay, and it all will depend on how FOMC will be reacting. Okay, so basically just keep an eye on DXY, look at what the dollar will be doing, and then use it to trade all of these pairs inverted, right? Because these are like the dollar. I mean, it resembles dollar if you invert it, right? So yeah, we are trading the dollar. So look at DXY and see what it's doing, and then you can know what to do after the news has happened, or what you'll be doing when the news is coming to happen. Okay. NZDUSD. NZDUSD, I would also like to see price do the same thing as what I said about pound USD and these pairs. Either price push it from here to the downside, or around these levels we can get the move to the downside. Okay. But overall, I'm just expecting bearish momentum to the downside, because the momentum is to the downside. If you go on the daily, you see that price, is coming to the downside. So I don't want to be buying from this low to the upside. No, I just want to be I just want to be selling this market to the downside. Okay. I don't like any buys, nothing. Like if you bought right here, then price will have swept you out before going to the upside. Okay. So it's either you sell the market, or you do nothing. Like that's the only thing that you can do. Okay, so again on DXY, that's what I'm expecting, like going to next week. Okay, either we push from here to the upside, or we come low and then we push from here to the upside, and you can use this idea to kind of trade all of these pairs, right? It's similar to all of them, so something like this. Okay, so I think that'll be all. Once again, I'll put the Discord link in the description. So if you want like any help, or if you want any guidance, just ask me the question in Discord, or just ask it in the comment section, and I'll try to answer you. I'll also put my socials, my Instagram in the description, so if you need any kind of help, you can also contact me through there. But yeah, I think that'll be all for today. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't checked out my playlist in the channel, be sure to check them out, and see how I trade, and how yeah, I'm doing with the community. And hopefully, you also decide to join us, and then we all trade together. Okay, but for now, that'll be all. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.